Hello and welcome. This is Angie with theCountryChicCottage.net here today with the box opening. So I was sent from Cricut the new Cricut EasyPress 2 that's in the rose color, so this beautiful pink color. But this is a bundle, so this bundle is available at Joann stores and comes with all kinds of extras. So I thought I would do an unboxing on video so you could kind of see what's in the box and if you want to run to Joann's and get one before they're sold out. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So the first thing when you open the box, there's always a welcome packet, and I'm going to open this. The welcome packet includes like the instructions, it includes your product registration, and quick start guide, but it also includes materials to make your first project. So in this case, they include, with every EasyPress, a Cricut C. What is that Cricut C for? So every EasyPress, next layer of the box, is your actual EasyPress itself, and it comes in a canvas bag. So the canvas bag is where you iron on your C, which came with the package, and you use your EasyPress 2 to do that. So you can kind of get familiar with the machine, see how it works, that type of thing, right out of the box. So here's the EasyPress 2, comes in a bag, cord's attached with a plastic bag around it, and we'll go ahead and open the bag so you can see the gorgeous color. So there's that EasyPress 2 in the rose pink. So super pretty. So this is the EasyPress 2. So if you want to know like differences between the EasyPress, original EasyPress and EasyPress 2, the differences between the EasyPress and the iron, that type of thing, head to the description for this video and I'll drop some links there so you can do a comparison for yourself. And then under your EasyPress 2 is the base. So every EasyPress comes with a base, and it looks something like this. So that's where you rest your EasyPress when you're not using it and when it's hot. I rest it in my base all the time, no matter if it's hot or not. Now, let's get to the bundle portion of this. So far we've looked at stuff that's available with any EasyPress 2 package, no matter where you purchase it. But this one contains a special box. This special box has got the bundle in it, which is sort of like extras that come at a special price. So in this case, you get an EasyPress mat, and it has that pink label to match your pink EasyPress 2. So what does the EasyPress mat do? So the EasyPress mat is for using under your project. So for instance, if I'm going to do this canvas bag first, I'm going to put the EasyPress mat down, I'm going to put the canvas bag down, I'm going to put my Cricut C that came with my EasyPress, and then I'm going to press on top of it. The EasyPress mat is amazing. I have a post on it as well about the benefits of it. So you can head to the description for this video and check out a link about it. I love the EasyPress mat, and I won't use my EasyPress without it. I will say that. So hands down, and I've tried it both ways, and I've used it both ways many times, and the EasyPress mat is by far the best way to go. Okay, more extras with the bundle. So the EasyPress mat usually is not bundled together with the EasyPress. Usually you have to buy that separate. And then the products I'm going to show you now are usually not with the EasyPress 2. You have to buy those separate as well. So we have got some heat transfer vinyl or iron-on, however you want to say that. So we have a couple of designs like it. We have a home sweet home, we have a floral, we have a bee, and we have one that says feeling pretty. And then we have some blank sheets that you can cut with your Cricut machine. So we have both glitter and regular iron-on sheets, and it looks like 2 of each. So, bundle time. So if you want to pick up an EasyPress 2, maybe you've been waiting for like a deal to do so. Maybe you're saying to yourself, I just don't want to buy the EasyPress, I want to wait for a bargain. This might be the bargain for you. So head to either Joann stores or look online for the Rose EasyPress 2. Look for a box that looks like this. What it's going to say down at the bottom is exclusive Rose bundle, and it's going to list on the side what it's bundled with. So look for those two things. Look for it to say bundle, and look on the side for a list of things it's included with. So you get the EasyPress 2, all the bells and whistles with it that usually come with it, but you also get the EasyPress mat, everyday iron-on in a couple of different everyday and glitter iron-on in a couple of different already cut shapes that are just ready for a project right out of the box. And then you get 2 sheets each of everyday iron-on in blush and 2 sheets of glitter iron-on in gold. So super fun bundle. Look at it if you've been thinking about buying an EasyPress tube and putting it off. Want to add it to your Mother's Day gift list. This might be the one that you want to add. Make sure they pick up the bundle for you for your Mother's Day gift. So thank y'all so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. I will also try to find a link to buy this exclusive bundle online, so you can check the description for this video for a link for that. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe on YouTube if you don't want to miss any of our Cricut videos, because we love sharing them all the time. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this EasyPress 2 Rose bundle. See y'all. Bye.